We are now called Neuro Peak Performance and Physiotherapy here in Surrey, British Columbia, Canada, which is just outside of Vancouver, about half an hour out. We used to be called the Surrey Neuroplasticity Clinic, which I believe if you start to look online, you'll see a lot more of that name floating around. We deal with all things of the brain. So our clinic is kind of a multi-sprung kind of company. We have kind of three different heads. We've got our clinical trials division, which is called our CNS. We've got the clinic, which is us. And then we also have our own proprietary medical device called the NeuroCatch, which ultimately scans brain function. So from there, we kind of went into this really cool realm of assess, test, and then implement. And that's kind of what our bleed of our company's been. And we focused around all things brain. So everything from, run of the mill, low level kids playing sports concussions, all the way up through traumatic brain injuries, MS, Parkinson's, strokes, and a lot of the off label or kind of the more or less mystery situations and everything in between. So we kind of see a little bit of everything every day, but really we try to strive towards using a lot of evidence-based and technology-based product and assessment and intervention to be able to give us a much more non-biased and objective way of treating the various ailments. So we've got a huge team on our roster of kinesiologists, physiotherapists, occupational therapists. We run with counselors. A lot of our kins and our physios do the bulk of the work. Like I said, we wear a lot of different hats, and it's allowed us to do a lot of really cool things with a lot of special individuals. So